Hello students, welcome to EDUHUNT online video classes. In the previous session, we have discussed the concept that is based on multiples and factors. Now we are going to discuss the worksheet based on multiples and factors. The very first question is, the products we get when a number is multiplied by the numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on are called the dash of the given number. Okay, let's take one by one. First option is divisors. Divisor means that divide. Okay, so here this is not the answer. Next, factors. Factors means, for example, if we multiply, we don't get factors. If we multiply, we get only multiples. Therefore, option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay, students? Okay. What is remainder? When we divide any number, the rest of the number which we cannot divide by the that is called remainder. Okay, right. Let's move on to the next one. The option that represents all the factors of 192. So we have to find the factors of 192. Okay, if we solve this question by using the factors, that will take more time. So check the options one by one. For example, see 1. So 1 divides 192. It is divisible in 2 table. Okay, let's see. This is 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 9. This is divisible by 3 and 4. 4 table. What is divisibility rule of 4? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. That means 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Therefore, it is divisible by 4. 8. 8 means 4 4 8. 8 2s are 16. 32. 4s are 32. Okay, 8 is also fine. Next, 16. 16 means 8 and 2. 8 and 2. We can take 8 and 2. Therefore, 16. In 16 table, 16 1s are 16. 32. 16 2s 32. It's divisible. 96. 96 table. So, here 96. 192 by 96. Cancel this by 3 table. 3 3s 9. 3 2s 6. And 3 18. 3 4s 12. 32 1s 32 2s. Therefore, it is also factor. Next, 192. 192 itself is a factor, and 32. So 32 ones it is possible. Okay, 64. 192 by 64. Okay, 2 32s, 2 96. Okay, if I multiply by 3, so 3 2s 6, 3 3s 9. Therefore, 96 is 64 is also possible. Okay, so here the option that represents all the factors of 192. Okay, all these factors are factors of 192. Let's check any number is missing in the given options. Okay, right. 1, yes, 1, 2, 6, 8, 16, 96, 192, 32, 64 and 3. So here 4 is missing. 4 is option. 4 option is there. That therefore this option is wrong. Next, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12. In 12 table, do we get 12 table? Let's check. 192 by 12. Okay, 12 ones are 12. Okay, how much remainder? 72. Yes. So 12 is possible. 12 16 is 192. Therefore 16 is possible. 16 2s 32. 32 2s 64 possible. And 24. Let's check 24. 12 2s 24. Therefore 24 is also possible. 96. 96. 96. 192 by 96. 3 2s, 3 3s, 3 2s. 3 6, 18, 3 4s, 12. 1s, 2s. Okay, that means 96 is also possible, 192 is also possible. But here number 3 is missing. Number 3 is missing. So here let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Can we divide it in 6 table? Yes. 2 and 3 it is divisible. Therefore, in 6 table also it is divisible. Okay. 8 table, 4 and 2 it is divisible, 8 table divisible. 12, 3, 4 divisible, therefore 12 table divisible. 16, yes, divisible. 24 divisible. 32 it is divisible. And 48, let's check 48. Here there is no 48. So 192 by 48. Here 4 table, 4 ones, 4 twos. And 4 4s 16, 4 3s 12. 4 4s 16, 32. Sorry. 4 4s 16, 8s 32. So therefore 12 ones 4s. So therefore in 48 table also it is divisible, and 64 divisible, 96, 192. Therefore option D is the correct answer for this question. In this type of questions we have to check each and every one. In the first option we get all the factors, but there are some factors which we left. Those are here 24. There is no 24 in this one. Okay, like 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 and 6 is missing here, but here we got 6. 8 8, 12 is missing here, therefore we got 12 here. 16 16, 24 is missing, yes, 24 we got. 32, yes, 32. 192 192 and 64 64. 48 is missing and 96 is there in both. Okay, therefore option D is the correct answer. If you get this all the factors, still you have to check another option also where we are getting any other number is a factor. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The number in the following which has 73 is the factor. 73 is the factor. That means this is divisible by 73, this is divisible by 73, this is divisible by 73, this is divisible by 73. Okay, if a number is divisible by 73, that number has 73 as a factor. So let's check one by one. This is 154. 154 by 17. Okay, right. 17 is a prime number. Therefore let's check each and every option. 73. So let's check one by one each option. First one, 1543. 1543 should be divisible by 17. 17 table, 17 ones, 17 nines, how much? 153. So remainder is 13. This 13 is not divisible by 17. Therefore this option is wrong. Let's check option B. 1533 by 17. 17 nines 153, but 3 is remainder. 3 is not divisible by 17. This option is also wrong. Here see, 1553 by 17. Okay, 17 nines 153. You see here 23 is there. 23 is not divisible by 17. Okay, here 1573. Therefore 17 nines are 153. So the remainder is 153. That is 43. Therefore 43 is the remainder. 43 is not divisible by 17. There is no option in this question. Okay, so no number is, therefore the correct option is none. Okay, right. Let's move on to the next question. The greatest prime number between 110 and 120. Okay, 110 and 120. No need to check 110 and 120. Let's check the options, that's it. Okay, 111. Is 111 a prime number? Let's check. 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3. So this is divisible by 3, therefore it is not a prime number. Okay, next. 117, 8 to 9, therefore it is divisible by 3 and 9, therefore it is not a prime number. Okay, next. Check in between 119 and 113. 119, this is 10, 11. Okay, right. 119 is a prime number and 113 is also prime number. But the greatest prime number between 110 and 120, that is 119. Therefore, answer for this question is 119. Okay, let's move on to the next question. 17 is a common factor of. Okay, let's check one by one. 17 is a common factor of 374, 1037, 526. Here 373, 1037, 527. Here different numbers are given. We have to check one by one. In first option 374 and 1037 and 527. Let's check one by one. Here write 374 by 17. 17 is a factor. Okay. 17 ones, 17 twos, 34. 34 again 34 is there, 17 twos. Therefore it is divisible by 17. Okay. Next 1037. Okay. This we have to check. 17 fives 85. 17 6 102. Okay. 102 and 17 ones 17. Therefore it is also divisible. Next 526. We have to check 526 by 17. 17 3s are 51. 51 16. The remainder is 16. Therefore this is not the answer for this question. So where check once where 374 and 1037 are there. 374 1037 is there. Okay, fine. 37, this is not at all possible. And here also 374 and 1037. But here 16, if I divide 526 by 17, I got the remainder 16. If I add 1 to this number, definitely that number will be divisible by 17. Therefore, add 1 to this number, 526 plus 1, that is 527. Therefore, option C is the answer for this question. Did you understand, students? Okay, chalo. Let's move on to the next one. The number of factors of 1024 is, it's a very good question actually. So there is a different method to find the number of factors. First, you should know how to do this one. First, prime factorize this one, 1024. Prime factorization means we have to use only prime numbers. Okay, let's take 2 5s 10. Okay, 2 1s 2, 2 2s 4, and 2 2s 4, 11, 2 5s 10, 12, 2 6, 2 128s, and 2 64, and 2 32, again 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, and 2 2. How many 2s are there? 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 1024 can be written 2 power 10. Okay, here we should know that there is a simple formula for this one. Here take the base aside and take the power of the number. So here power of the number is 10, add 1 to that number, that will be the answer for this question, that is number of factors 11. So therefore 11 is the number of factors of 1024. Okay, it's a very important question, students. Okay, let's solve one more question. Let's take 15. 15, we know that how many factors will be there for 15. Find the number of factors of 15. Number of factors of number of factors of 15. So how can we find? First prime factorize this one, 15. 3 5s. So it can be written, 15 can be written 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Here take the bases aside and take the powers. 1, add 1 to the power. Okay, and plus add 1 to the power. So here 2 plus 2. Here 4. So let's check whether this is correct or not. 15, 1 is a factor, and 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, and 15 itself is a factor. Therefore 4 are there. So answer for this question is 4. In this manner only you have to solve this type of questions for number of factors. Okay, students? Okay. Okay, today we have discussed the worksheet, and We'll see you in the tomorrow. Today we have discussed the worksheet. Okay, in the next session we are going to see another worksheet. Okay, thank you for watching.